them out. That's crazy, isn't it?
That's cool. What kind of birds were they?
I don't know what they were, but he found a nest of one bird that I'll show you where it's at. It's pretty far down here. But all right, hold on. Here we go.
Hold
Go
on.
fast again.